Hola, hola. Okay, this is our last grammar for the year. So the conditional tense is pretty easy. It's very similar to the future tense. This is also a review from last year, so hopefully it looks familiar. So conditional means would in English. So how we talked about the future means will. I will study. We will do our homework. She will go run. Future is would. So if I had $1 million, I would buy a house. I would go to a party if I was allowed to. Something you would do. So just like with the future tense, you're adding the endings at the end of the infinitive. You're not taking off the AR, ER, or IR. You add the ending to the end of the full verb. The conditional endings are the same as the ER, IR endings of imperfect. So ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian, accent on the I in every single form. The only difference between this and the ER, IR verb to be imperfect is that you would keep the ending for the conditional. So you keep the AR, ER, or IR. You add this at the end of the full verb. This is the same set of endings for all verbs. So it doesn't matter if it's an AR verb, ER verb, or IR verb. So seguir would follow. Seguiría, 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 seguiríamos, seguiríais, seguirían. So you just leave the verb, put the ending at the end. Ir would go in the conditional. Iría, irías, iría, iríamos, iríais, irían. So pretty simple. No stem changers, but we do have the same irregulars as the future tense. So same as before. I'm going to put these up. You can just write them in the notes. Everything is the same as with the future. You would just use ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian instead of as, amos, abes, an. Now wait a second. You can write these down. You can also pause it if you need to finish writing them all. So that's pretty much everything for the conditional. It's really easy. It's really similar to future, just a different set of endings. So if you want to go ahead and pause this and just do these 7 quick practice problems just to make sure you have it down, you know what you're doing before doing the notes check on Schoology. So go ahead and pause it, complete these, and then restart it. Okay, so number 1, this matches with todo. So this is the ASD studies form. Hacer is irregular. It's R, like a pirate. So Arian. Number 2, yo form trabajaría. Number 3, decir is irregular. Dir, dirían. 4, haber was in that chart. Haber is always LAF form, remember? So in future it's habrá. In conditional it's habría. So there would be a party every day. 5, reírse. So the se goes out in front, just like other conjugated verbs. Reír becomes reírían. So say reírían. The accent just drops because we're adding a different accent. Valer to be worth. So the cars would be worth very little. Valdrían, irregular. And then todos nosotros no querríamos. Double R, it's irregular. That's why we don't have querer. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, but that's the last grammar that we are going to do this year. So we're going to practice this the next couple days, but it should be pretty simple. Adios.